In this video, we will explain how to make symmetrical or asymmetrical width setting on Omni Plus I. Warning: read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating, maintenance or safety instruction could result in serious injury. Place the first lip profile equal to the beginning of the reed as shown. You can use a straight ruler to make it easier. Pull the profile toward the weaver side and tighten. Place the next profiles, don't place them against each other, place them 2 mm from each other. I use the gauge to remove the air tubes from the relay nozzle as a distance plate. Pull the profiles toward the weaver and tighten. Now we're going to place the small profiles. Place the thickness plates of 1 mm and 0.2 mm under the profiles. Place them so that the nozzles don't touch the profiles as shown. Move the reed slowly forward, check if the relay nozzle are passing through the openings. Put the filling detector cable in all the white clamps. Move the auxiliary reed against a first filling detector or reed. Put a stop on the open and not used connections on the relay nozzle valve. Place the second filling detector against the auxiliary reed and put filling detector cable in the white clamps. Place the rest of the small lip profiles. Don't forget to place the 2 thickness plates. Pull the profiles toward the weaver before tightening. Tighten all the bolts of the lip profiles to 33 Nm. Loose the 4 bolts of the temple support. Place the temple support at 120 mm from the end of the drawing in. Pull the support toward the weaver and tighten with 9.5 Nm. Place the temple support back. Loose the 4 bolts of the temple support. Move the temple support inward till 120 mm from the beginning of the reed. Pull the support toward the weaver side and tighten with 9.6 Nm. Place back the filling cutter with the screw head against the profile. Tighten the bolt of the filling cutter. When the bolt head is against a lip profile, then the space between reed and cutter is set correctly. Use the gauge to remove the air tube from the relay nozzle as a thickness plate to set the correct distance of 2 mm between cutter and movable main nozzle. Push movable main nozzle down in the reed holder and tighten 1 or 2 bolts of the reed holder so it doesn't move anymore. Loose the bolt on the movable main nozzle valve support. And move the complete support so that the air tube will run straight down to the movable main nozzle. Tighten the bolt. Connect the air tubes in the correct order and tighten them. Tighten the bottom clamp of the movable main nozzle in the correct order. First hand tighten all 6 bolts. Tighten bolts A at 3 Nm. Tighten the 4 bolts B at 8.1 Nm. Connect the small air pipes to the valves, make sure that the pipes are not crossed. questions or remarks? Please contact us.